The 10 News Weather Authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
Well, good afternoon, everyone. Here is what our temperatures are looking like at the moment. Roanoke is currently sitting at 63 degrees, Lynchburg at 55, same for Lexington. And then mid to lower 50s across all of our other counties and zones at the moment. But for the remainder of the evening, partly cloudy conditions will build in and it will be rather chilly. Temperatures will remain in the mid 50s and then get down into the upper 40s by about 9 p.m. this evening. But here's how we wake up tomorrow morning. Temperatures widespread in the mid to upper 30s for a lot of us. We could see some frosty windshields down in South Boston, out in Martinsville, as well as overnight temperatures get down to about 32 degrees or so. But here's what Future Tracker holds for us for the remainder of this evening. Partly cloudy skies build in. Then we turn mostly cloudy by tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. once we wake up. And then throughout the day, we'll see these intervals of partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies embedded. And then as the sun sets, mostly clear skies will build in. So here is your Wednesday planner in full chilly start, getting to about 40 degrees by 8 a.m. and then getting right up to about 60 degrees. Widespread 60 degrees basically for everyone on the board. But here is a look at the smoke in our area. Matts Creek fire is currently burning in North Bedford County, 150 acres, and it's not contained at all right now. So they are working basically night and day to contain this thing, as it's been burning for the past 24 hours without any sort of relief in view right now. But smoke is blowing towards the south and towards the southeast and to southern Bedford County, like areas near Lynchburg, even towards Forest. So if you're in and around Natural Bridge, the air quality is not the best at the moment. And current burn bans are in effect for all of these counties highlighted in red. This is about 80% of our viewing area. So basically everyone who's watching right now is almost entirely in a burn ban at the moment. And we are needing rain badly. We're not going to see that much rain on Friday. We're expecting about 1/4 of an inch at most. But here is what we need to relieve our drought that we're in, 4 to 8 inches. Now, if we get all of the rain that we need in one go, we're going to have a flooding concern. So we're going to need these in intervals, and Friday what looks like is going to be the start of the pattern change. As we go into tomorrow, low pressure down in Florida starts to ride the coast and we miss out on the rain. However, low pressure from the west moves in, and on Friday we're expecting rain chances, but again, it's not going to be busting the drought. However, it is going to give some relief to the drought that we're in. And we are looking ahead towards next Thursday. That is Thanksgiving. We're expecting rainstorms on Tuesday and Wednesday, and it will be potentially cold on Thanksgiving. Most data keeps us dry on Thursday. However, here is your Thanksgiving forecast. 20% chance of rain. High temperatures in the 50s. However, on Wednesday, we're expecting about 50% chance of rain as we are watching a pattern flip. You notice the jet stream here in orange dips down and then it goes way up to the north and east. So the southern jet is becoming more active in the next 10 days or so. So a pattern flip is expected to occur, and that will hopefully bring us rain chances. However, the Highlands, rain chances about 40% on Friday. Same thing for south side. You'll notice upper 60s up until then, and then throughout Lynchburg getting to about 68 on Thursday. This weekend looks pretty nice. Same here for the Roanoke Valley, expecting rain to march on through on Friday. Again, not widespread, not impressive rain totals, but by Saturday and Sunday, we're looking dry and we're looking really, really cold as well.